Sailor Ray Herrera born September 2nd, 1979 via Chicha Size doing video 1 update status recording for today, July the 18th, 2025. And then today to my two socials, let me know I do this recording as y'all my baby love to know my duty Adam, Spider Adam, 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 Central. And basically this will be only going to Andrew. And yeah, basically have not though gotten my beauty sleep yet. Just got on the A train of 168th Street where there was again corrupt officers. I sat down waiting for the A train. This drinking my coffee that I bought from Wendy's. And got a little tired, closed my eyes for like a minute or two, maybe 5 minutes. And of course, a corrupt officer that was on the other side of the platform winds up crossing, coming to my side. My back was facing, I'm like this, the officer crossed the platform, came and told me the A train is coming around, go to the other side. That was the last stop, almost 68. So I got my coffee, I got my purse, my red target bag, and got on the train. So yeah, basically where I sat, a chocolate from the thing over there reminded me of, wasn't the same person of yesterday that had taken off his pants. But decided to come into this one. Started getting a little pack. Started to get a semi-pack. No, I don't know that female, just in case. And yeah, it's tired, but not that tired. Will be getting my beauty sleep. And yeah, basically that is it for video one. I'm gonna let it go by. I'm again forced, beautiful USA, Lorraine, however, born September 2nd, 1979 via due to 8 literally, I'm talking about literally 8 billion stalkers illegally.
Transferred to the M60 left hospital.
So far, it's on 25th.
An accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
So far, 0125.
This is local route A, Wilson Street. The next stop is 160th Street.
Going over
Mall Street.
Time is 3:49. So literally due to 8 billion stalkers, literally, my beautiful self is forced to get my beauty sleep. Me and my almighty big guys, never me as your goals, is forced to have my beauty sleep done on the train station when I should be in all walls, whether it's my apartment, my house, stuff like that. Nice and secure, getting my beauty first, something like that. Me and my guys. And yeah, I'm gonna let this go up a little bit more. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna end this with that. We'll pick up video to in a few hours and stuff like that. Love you, te quiero, te adoro, my two socials. Jaden, you know I love you crazy, but I will not be tolerating your attitude. And as I said in my last recording. If you want to see my videos, viewers, just look me up on YouTube. Hopefully, you are really paying attention. And of course, yeah. So let's say President Andrew, prepare yourself, babies, to come with me to Cali. And Jaden also, but Jaden seems like he's not paying attention. Really want to go. My kings, just know you really do have to go to California. There is no if and but. You're being born as blessed as you is, just like my beautiful self. A part of your being born into a beautiful blessing of a future that comes with you recognizing you cannot stay living in New York, Jaden, and you cannot stay living in Jersey. And of course, I've been known the train station is not very safe. I'm happy to rise there, my beauty. Anyways, love you, te quiero ya todo. Safety, safety, safety. Always first. Mom, sunshine, sunbeam, Jaden. Hopefully, you watch my video on YouTube. And yeah, love you. And, it's about to be 7 minutes. Love you. Anyways, end of recording. It reminds me of the guy who got the fudging took the ride all the way to the worker who took the ride all the way to Brooklyn. That motherfucker was the weirdest thing ever. Yesterday's video was very weird. Anyways, I'm gonna end it with that.